Hello everyone and welcome into today's video where we are checking out again some Cardano news. I will be covering some of the major updates for the Cardano ecosystem, and also we will check out the price charts towards the end, so definitely stay tuned for that one, or you can use the timestamps in the YouTube player. And as always, a like on the video is very much appreciated, so thank you for doing so, and let's go. First of all, we have this announcement of the IOHK, which is the Input Output Hong Kong, which stands behind the Cardano blockchain, and the World Mobile, which specializes in building networks on blockchains, and they partnered up to disrupt these telecommunication markets, and they are venturing into where the demand is highest. So usually there are these very congested frequency bands such as 3G, 4G or 5G. However, they think that that's not where the money rests at the moment, and they are heading to Africa for that reason. So the World Mobile is already collaborating with Google in Kenya on free space optics, which is capable of transferring data at 20 gigabits per second over a distance of 12 kilometers. And if you take a look at the 64 billion spent a year on telecommunications in Africa, and it's still the 80% of the 1 billion people is unconnected there, the potential for WMC, which is the World Mobile Chain, to disrupt the industry is still there, and they are bringing the costs down at the same time, and they are planning to do this via this host air node, which consists of poles with solar panels that are linked to a wireless access point, and then they connect to the WMC using a tiny affordable Raspberry Pi computer, so very cheap and very easy to run. And therefore, this node costs less than $5,000, which is still a large amount for this region, but at the same time it's far less than other methods used to date. So next, the WMC will test the process in Zanzibar, which will see 100,000 to 150,000 people brought onto the network. And the best part is that once the people will take the ownership, they can start to earn from the network as well, because it's on the decentralized blockchain. And after these test rounds in Zanzibar, it will be rolled out in Tanzania as well, with a potential market of 20 million people in 13,000 villages, so a pretty nice potential there. And basically IOHK, which is behind the Cardano, is providing a decentralized ledger, and the WMC is acting as a bridge to the new market. In another news, we've also had in July this collaboration from Wolfram and Cardano to build some live minting service. So we have the CEO of Wolfram here talking us through those plans, and he actually says that since the January of 2021 the Wolfram has been learning the nuances of Cardano, and he has been integrating the Cardano blockchain into the Wolfram language. So now they are working on this implementation of NFT tools and auctions to bring liveminting.com to life, which basically means that the minting of NFTs will be in real time on the Cardano blockchain. And then we've had a couple of news in June where the digital lending platform Nexo integrated with Cardano, which enabled ADA holders to borrow and earn from a diverse crypto portfolio. So ADA holders can buy, borrow, lend and sell crypto on the Nexo exchange, while also earning up to 8% interest on their holdings or accessing ADA-backed credits. And they've also mentioned these strategic partnerships with organizations like Orion, which was just a couple of days ago announced on the 23rd of June, so quite a while back, but I would say one of the major partnerships before the Alonzo update. And the ultimate goal is to create a one-stop shop for buying and selling on the blockchain, pushing crypto towards mainstream adoption by providing a single non-custodial point of access for crypto traders on all major exchanges. So that's pretty cool, and now we can move into the price charts, and there has been a lot going on lately. We can see the huge surge over here in the past couple of weeks, starting at the end of July over here. We've had a really nice rally towards this resistance over here, which by the way corresponds to the all-time highs from 2017 2018 over here. So very major resistance, and after that the price just spiked upwards with a bit of a backtest, and now it's sitting at all-time highs at just under $3 per one ADA token. This is quite a major development because you can see that for the past couple of months we can say that pretty much the whole 2021 we've been in and around this range, this price channel over here near the previous all-time highs from 2018, with just a brief false breakout just before the crypto sell-off. So this is looking very positive for Cardano now. And there is one more thing I want to show you, which is this chart over here, which is Cardano divided by Bitcoin. So not in relation to the US dollar, but in relation to Bitcoin as a major player in the crypto space. So this one is important as well. And in the last video we've mentioned this development over here, that there is this support down over here along which the price has been climbing, or we can say this ratio has been climbing since the end of 2020. However, there was this brief drop all the way to those levels. However, now this ratio has came up again above this support, so this is looking very good for Cardano. If the Bitcoin starts to rise in a major way, we know that it's been going up as well lately. It has escaped this sideways consolidation over here, and now it's resuming the bull run again maybe. So if it's gonna head higher, making new all-time highs, there's gonna be this support again to push the price of Cardano up with the Bitcoin as well. And if we zoom out, we can see that those lines correspond to those levels just below the all-time highs of this ratio from the 2017-2018. So now we are slowly but surely getting closer to all-time highs of this ratio. And that's pretty much it what I wanted to cover in this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. If so, make sure to smash the like button. It helps the channel out a lot in the YouTube algorithm, and also you can subscribe for more future crypto content to come on this channel. And with this, I thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!